We have given that segment PS is congruent to SW. So I will mark these two segments that they are congruent. What else? We have given that SR is congruent to WT. So I put this 2 marks on these two segments because they are congruent. What else? We have given that SR segment SR is parallel to WT. If we extend this two segments, we have that, let's put that this is our L and this is our K line. These two lines are parallel. So these two lines are parallel, so we can write L is parallel to K. And if we extend PW segment, we have here transversal T. So these two parallel lines are cut by transversal. And we know that by corresponding angles postulate, angle PSR is congruent to angle SWT. So we can write that by corresponding angles postulate, we have that angle PSR, S of course, R is congruent to angle SWT. We can mark this arc. These two angles are congruent by corresponding angles postulate. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Angle PSR and SWT are corresponding angles. So these two angles are congruent, and we see that these two sides are congruent too. So we can write that by side angle side congruence postulate, we have that triangle PSR is congruent to triangle SWT. And we got exactly what we have to prove. We have to prove that triangle PSR is congruent to SWT. So we just show this. This is my solution.